Good morning both. Good morning to you too. This morning it's not a particularly cold start to the day, but it's going to be a cooler day than it was over the Easter weekend when temperatures were widely well up the teens or even into the low 20s. Today there'll also be a few showers, but equally there will be some sunshine.
And a look at this morning's weather. So far so good over the bank hole, Carol. Is it continuing?
Morning.
That's right. Good morning both. Good morning to you too. In fact, we had the warmest day of this year so far on Good Friday. Temperatures in London reached 23.4 Celsius. And over the weekend, many of us were well up the teens or even into the low 20s. Yesterday, though, we had a weather front coming in from the west. So for Northern Ireland and the west of the UK, there was more cloud, some rain, and temperatures weren't as high. But it's a beautiful start to the day today in Suffolk, as you can see from our Weather Watchers picture. Close to the coast in Suffolk, it's cold, temperatures around 4 degrees. But this is roughly what you can expect if you are going to step outdoors now, between 7 and about 9 or 10 degrees. So not a particularly cold start. Pollen levels today are high across eastern and southern parts of England. And we're talking mostly about tree pollen at this stage.
Now we're out and about. It
northeast.
seems like a good time to get the weather for the rest of the UK, doesn't it?
Who could share that news with us?
I don't know. Is there a Kirkwood somewhere? Good morning, Carol.
Good morning both, and if you are in Tynemouth this morning thinking of nipping into the sea, the North Sea temperature is 7 to 9 degrees at this time of year, so it still is a wee bit on the nippy side. Now, it's been so warm for many of us over the course of this weekend. It's cooler this week though, a few showers, some sunshine, and chilly nights are the order of the day and night.
Let's find out what's happening with the weather. Cooler days, colder nights, often dry and bright, and a little rain at times,
How
Carol.
did you know?
Yes, Dan, that's amazing. Yes, good morning, everybody. Dan is, of course, quite right. It's quite a mild start to the day this morning as well. Tomorrow you really will notice the difference because we are looking at cooler nights. So remember that low pressure I showed you that's in the north? As we head on through Wednesday into Thursday, it starts to slip further south. So these weather fronts really not making much inroads to the west of the UK. But what will be significant will be the wind. You will notice it, and the direction it's coming from is an easterly direction. So if you're on the North Sea coastline, maybe you're going out for a walk, well, you will certainly notice it's going to be cooler in the east. Move further west and it will be much milder. We're looking at highs of 18, for example, in Cardiff. And still, most of us will be dry. Dan and Nina.
Thank you very much for that, Carol. I know my summary was off your
Rubbish.
board at the start, but you gave far more detail there. Much more interesting when you did it.
Bless you. Thanks,
Have a lovely
Dan.
Monday. See you tomorrow.
You too.
Happy bank
Take
holiday,
care.
Carol.
And to you, Nina.